Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how we can use this advanced option of wind load generator and how can we uh, directly create all these cases as you can see here. So let's begin. First, I will delete uh, the case. So this is the building which I have taken the example wind load pressure and forces on rectangular clad building. So these are the dimensions 10 meter by 15 meter, height is 18 meter. The same is modeled in the STAAD Pro software. And all the manual calculations are done here, or you can refer our video. The link is given in the description box. How to calculate all the coefficients manually. So same problem is solved there. So to use the advanced option, we have to go to loading. In the loading, we have to go to wind load generator. In wind load generator, you have to go to IS 875 part 3 2015. Now, a new window will be there. So we have to put the data here. So year of publication of code is 2015. Type of structure is rectangular clad building. Maximum height, when you draw the model, then the software automatically take the maximum height interval for intensity means at a 5 meter level the intensities are calculated. You can change this also. Now from here we have to put the wind parameters. So this is the information of the manual problem. So basic wind speed is 47 meter per second. Sorry. So here either you can choose the city or you can use the custom option and you can directly put the wind speed. Then risk factor coefficient. So the risk factor coefficient for this problem is 1. So it is 1. Then topography factor K3. K3 is topography factor which is 1 for our case. So again 1. Then importance factor you can choose here. In our case the important factor is also 1. So it is 1. You can choose as per your condition. Then terrain category. So this problem has given terrain category 2. So we have to select their terrain category 2. Okay, then wind directionality factor KD. All these values are given in this solved problem, or you can refer our video. So how to actually apply the clauses given in the code IS 875 part 3 will clear to you. Okay, so the wind directionality factor is 0.90. So 0.90. Then area averaging factor here for the walls. I'm going to apply the wind load on the walls. So it is 0.813. 0.813. So this is the first page information. Then we have to go to wind load data. So here you can see LX. uh, Here you can see this is the LX 50 meter, LZ 10 meter, and height of the structure 18 meter. It automatically taken by the software. All these coefficients, external coefficients, are taken by the software itself based on whatever criteria is given there. Now very important, for CPI we need to give the information related to the opening. So in our problem the opening is less than 5%. Okay, so here it is 0.2. If you select other category the value will change. Now assignment, there are different methods: automatic, group, member list, and range. Okay, so if your structure is simple, software accurately automatically calculate the members on which the force needs to be applied. So we will keep automatic. Now you just need to click on the generate. Now here you can see, with that information it has created four types of definitions: is 875 rectangular clad positive x negative x plus z minus z. And then it has created the cases: wind in positive x direction with positive cpi, positive x direction wind with negative cpi, negative x wind with positive cpi, negative x direction wind with negative cpi, and similarly for the z. So all these cases are generated. No need to create the case one by one. If you put the correct information, it will automatically generate all the cases. So here you can see the wind load is applied on your structure. So we have checked all the coefficients manually also. You can also compare your calculation and software calculation. So in one of our next video, we'll show you if we need to make the cases manually. So how to make those cases and how to apply the wind forces. But if your structure is closed structure, you can use this option wind load generator. Okay. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe the Real Civil YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.